Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the practical number 2, that is design of flash mixer, that how the hydraulic design is going to design for the flash mixer. Flash mixer is a component which is used for the mixing of the coagulant thoroughly with the raw water while entering for the flocculation purpose. So here are some design criteria for designing the flash mixer. That is, first, the detention period should be, it is of 30 to 60 seconds only. The depth of the tank or it will be 1 to 3.5 meter. Speed of the paddles which is provided in the flash mixer will be around 80 to 120 rpm. The power required for the flash mixer to run is 1 to 3 watt per meter cube per hour. The velocity at the tip of the blade should not be greater than 3 meter per second. The velocity of flow in mixer is 0.3 to 1.2 meter per second. This is the tip at the there are two type of velocity, that is the velocity at the tip of the blade, and this is the velocity of flow of the mixture, that is the water is flowing or water is entering in the mixture. There are some here is the height of diameter ratio, that is the height to diameter ratio, that is 1:1 to 3:1. Now the velocity gradient should not be should be greater than 300 seconds, and the freeboard should be 0.3 meter, that is the open space which is left for the overflow or the open space, that is the 0.3 meter. Diameter of impeller to diameter of tank, it is again a ratio is provided with us, that is 0.2 to 0.4. Velocity of paddle is given by a formula with us, that is Vp, that is velocity of paddle, it is given by the Vp is equal to 2 pi Rn divided by 60. Now what the other notations are given here, R is the radius of the impeller and N is the rotations of the impeller, which is generally provided to 80 to 120 rpm. Okay, so these are the criteria which we have to take under considerations while designing the flash mixer. Now the next criteria is the power required for the impeller is given by the P is equal to mu G square into V. Now G square, here is again we have seen that the G is the velocity gradient, which is the value should be more than 300 seconds. V, here V is the capital V, that is the volume of the tank, and the mu is the viscosity of fluid, which is generally given as the standard value is 1.0087 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton second per meter square, and the area of blade is given by P, that is the power, is equal to half into CD into rho into A into VR cube. Now what is CD is coefficient of drag of the blade, it is known as the the coefficient of drag is 1.8 drag coefficient. Now area of blade, which is given as capital A, area of blade, again is rho, or that is just the density of water. VR, that is the relative velocity of the impeller, and relative velocity is of impeller and fluid, that is which is given as the 75% of the Vp, that is 0.75 into Vp. Now what is the difference between relative velocity and why it is associated with the impeller and the fluid? When the velocity of the tip of the paddle, that is the Vp, just we have seen, when the velocity of the paddle moves the paddle with the help of the motor or the power, the fluid will also move, and hence that the relative velocity, that is the movement of the velocity with respect to the movement of the velocity of paddle, is given as the relative velocity. So, and why here it is related, why it is given here, that is it is related with the blade. As far as the blade will move, therefore it is associate the with the paddle, and hence it will force the blade to move the flow or move the water with the coagulant or mix the coagulant. Therefore here it is given as the relative velocity of the fluid and impeller, that is the 75% of the velocity of paddle. So here are the some design criteria given with us. I'm once again repeating to you, and you have to keep it in your mind while designing the any design especially for flash mixer. First of all, you have to understand that detention time only 30 to 60 seconds. We will not detain any water more than 60 seconds, that is up to for 1 minute, because here the purpose is in the flash mixer is to mix the water and send the in the other component, that is in the flocculation or the flocculator. And especially depth of the tank 1 meter to 3.5 meter. Again, speed of the paddle means we have to move the paddle at a greater speed, that is 80 to 120 rpm, and hence that is the number of rotations which is given here. I am again mentioning that speed of the paddle, that is the number of rotations is 80 to 120 rpm. Similarly, power required, how the paddle will move, 1 to 3 watt per meter cube per hour. Velocity at tip of the blade should be greater than 3 meter per second. Velocity of flow, that is the inlet velocity of flow, is the velocity of water in the flash mixer is 0.3 to 1.2 meter per second. Height to diameter ratio 1:1 to 3:1. Velocity gradient should be greater than 300 second. Freeboard should be 0.3 meter, that is 300 mm. And diameter of impeller to diameter of tank, against the ratio, that is 0.2 to 0.4. and again velocity of paddle is given by the formula, that is Vp is equal to 2 pi Rn divided by 60. R is the impeller radius of the impeller, and N is the number of rotations, and hence the power is given to us, that is the power for impeller is P is equal to mu into G square into V. The power value is given with us, that is what is the value, that is the 1 to 3 watt per meter cube per hour. But also the mu, that is the standard velocity, that is the viscosity of fluid, that is the dynamic viscosity of fluid is 1.0087 10 to the power minus 3 Newton second per meter square. Velocity gradient, and again it is the volume of time. Also the area of blade can be find out by this formula, that is P is half into CD into rho into A into VR cube, that is again the coefficient of drag of fluid is 1.8, and area of blade is calculated with the help of all such related components. That is, we know the value of CD, we know the value of rho, we can calculate the value of relative velocity with the help of velocity of tip, that is velocity of paddle, and hence the area of blade can be find out. So I am coming to the design, actual design, how the design will take place. So this is the design of flash mixer. So generally a question is asked in this fashion, that design a flash mixer for discharge of 500 meter cube per hour or 600 meter cube per hour, like this, or any value of discharge. So and it is given as the assume the suitable data wherever required. So we will first write the discharge, that is whatever the discharge given to us, that is the Q is equal to meter. Here the discharge value given to us is 500 meter cube per hour, and we will convert it to the meter cube per second, and it comes out to be 0.139 meter cube per second. Now first of all we will design the inlet pipe. Okay, there are some stages and some steps, that is first step A, that is design of inlet pipe. Now here the discharge value is, we will first take the value of, that is discharge value, and we will apply the continuity equation, that is Q is equal to A into V. Now there are two unknown, that is A and V. We will first apply the value, and we can use the value of V, that is the velocity of flow in the flash mixer. That is we are assuming that the velocity of flow is 0.9 meter per second, because in the design criteria it is given as the 0.3 meter per second to 1.2 meter per second, so that we can use the value, intermediate value of it. So any value between lies between in it. So therefore we are assuming it as 0.9 meter per second. Put the value over it, and we can find the we will getting the value as 0.154 meter square. Therefore assume it that the flash mixer is circular in shape. Therefore pi by 4 into d square. Sorry, the inlet pipe is circular in shape. Therefore putting the circular area formula, therefore we can find out the diameter of the inlet pipe. Similarly, so from the first step, that is we will find the we got the value of the inlet pipe as d is equal to 0.45 meter. Now in the second step, that is in the design of tank, we will first assume that the in the first we will assume that the detention time is 40 seconds. I have previously just now said that the detention time given to us for the flash mixer is 30 seconds to 60 seconds, and we are assuming here it as 40 seconds. So we know the value as the volume is equal to Q into detention time, that is the discharge into detention time. So volume is equal to discharge, that is 0.139 into detention time is 40 seconds. So therefore the volume comes at is 5.56 meter cube. Now assume the depth of the tank is 2.5. Now the question arises now, from where the depth of the tank comes as, because we have just seen that the depth of the tank may be around 3.5 meter. So we can assume it as 2.5 meter. Okay, so therefore we are putting the value and getting the cross sectional area of the tank. Similarly, assuming it as the circular in nature, therefore we will get the diameter of the flash mixer. So we will first providing the check that the height to diameter ratio, and in the design criteria it is given at the height to diameter ratio should lies between 1:1 to 3:1. We will putting the value over here, and we are getting the value as 1.47, which is lies between the given values or given criteria. Therefore it is safe, and we can apply the both the values, that is the diameter and height. Assume the freeboard as 0.3. Therefore the total depth of water is depth of water plus depth of inlet is plus freeboard, that is the total depth of tank is comes out to be 3.25. Also, hence provide a tank of size 1.7 meter in diameter, and total depth is 3.25 meter in flash mixer. Now similarly we will move to the motor and paddle design, that is the design of impeller and paddle. So again a ratio is given to us, that is diameter of impeller to the diameter of tank, that is it should be 0.2 to 0.4. we are assuming it as 0.3. so therefore, but the diameter of tank we have just now calculated it as 1.7. therefore the diameter of impeller comes out to be 0.51. so the radius of the impeller is comes out to be divided of the 2 by 2, that is the half of the 2, that is 0.255 meter. Therefore the velocity of paddle is Vp is equal to 2 pi Rn divided by 60, and therefore assume the number of rotation it as maximum, so that it can move at full speed. But the rotation criteria given it as 80 to 120, and again we are assuming it as 120 rpm. So putting the all such values, that is to find the velocity of paddle, that is r is 0.255, and assume the number of rotation it as 120, we will get the velocity of the paddle as 3.2 meter per second, which is given to us that the velocity of the paddle should be greater than 3 meters, and hence the value is comes out to be safe, and hence we can apply the velocity of the paddle as 3.2 meter per second. Also the power required by the impeller. Now how the power, what amount of power is required by the impeller is, assume that the velocity gradient is 400 seconds, because it is given to us that the velocity gradient should be more than 300 seconds. So we are applying the value of the velocity gradient it as here for 400 seconds. Mu is given to us, that is the dynamic viscosity of the water. G is 400, and volume we have just now calculated it as 5.56, and hence the power is comes out to be 897.33 watt. So now the how the area of the blade will calculate. Similarly, we have the formula, that is P is equal to half into CD into rho into A into VR cube, that is half. CD is 1.8, density of water is 1000 A. Now the relative velocity, that is VR, is the 75% of the velocity of paddle, that is Vp, it is Q. So applying all the values which is available with us, and we got the value as 0.07 meter square. Provide two numbers of the blades, and here, and therefore each blade can having the area it as 0.0336 meter square. Provide the length, provide the width of the blade it as 0.505 meter, and therefore the length which comes out to be, that is the area is 0.036 meter square divided by 0.035, and therefore the length is comes out to be 0.72 meter. Therefore the length of the paddle is equal to total depth minus total depth means the total depth of the tank minus 0.5 meter, that is the bottom portion which is left for the movement of the paddle, movement of the blade is given as the that is 3.25 minus 0.5, that is it is the length of the paddle. So first length we have calculated it as the length of the blade, and this is the second length is comes out to be length of the paddle. So both are different. So provide two numbers of blade having the size which is we have just now the calculated. So this is the summary, that is the diameter of inlet, diameter of tank, water depth, total water depth, diameter of inlet, diameter of paddle, number of blade, size of the blade, and length of the paddle. So we have to summarize into and show it into the figure like this. So this is the motor from where we generated the power. This is the structure of flash mixer. This is the coagulant feeding pipe. This is blade, this is paddle, this is motor, this is inlet, this is outlet. We have first calculated the inlet pipe, that is which comes out to be 0.45 meter. This is the freeboard, that is 0.34, that is the dot space over left over the at the top portion. This is freeboard, and here it is a dotted line which shows that the outlet should be always in front of the inlet pipe, and which is of the same size, that is 0.45, and the total depth, that is the total height, that is the depth of the assumed depth, that is 2.5, and the inlet pipe and the freeboard, and it comes out to be 3.25. Diameter is comes out to be 1.7. Similarly, the blade we have calculated the assume it at two blade, that is first blade and second blade, and we have left the space that is from the bottom it has 0.5 meter, therefore so that the blade can move easily. So this is the length of the paddle, that is 2.75, which is associated with the motor, and this is the drain pipe, so that the same the settled sludge or the settled waste can be removed from the drain pipe. So this is the structure or the or the structure of the flash mixer, or whatever we have calculated, it should be shown in this way uh, by show, by drawing a figure and mentioning all the dimension over it. Hope you have understood the concept and the design of the flash mixer. If you have any query related to it, please post it into the comment section. Thank you very much.